Here.
Wait, right here?
Like this? Yeah, like that. Yeah, like that. Okay. Next shot right there. Fuck, that's a lot of blood. A lot of blood.
Oh man, we're murdering the damn bird.
Well, first kill.
First kill of the day and night and week and month.
My vlog is 16. Okay, where should we cut this?
What's least bloodiest?
What's least bloodiest?
Because we're going to cut that last.
Crippled leg.
Yeah, you should cut off the legs first.
Yesterday? Tough leg.
Okay, your knife kind of sucks.
Oh.
Do you like our dissecting thing? I accidentally dropped the bird on this and it got a bunch of blood on it, so we just called it our dissecting table. Kill the ant. This is actually the biggest animal I've ever killed.
Not me.
Not him.
He killed a seagull.
He killed the seagull.
Never seen this kind of animal before.
Your knife is a dull knife.
I know, okay? Sorry, I don't got a machete.
Want to use mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can't. Please.
I'll clean it.
You better clean it down good.
I'll clean it. Here.
Oh, good. I want to try.
My friend is just gonna.
Yeah. See this beauty right there?
It's like 2.5 inches. No, don't. Here, cut the feet off. Cut it off. You can't just do that. Oh, fucking hell, bloody. Oh, fuck.
Your mom was pretty bloody too.
Here, I'll fucking do it. You videotape.
Oh, no, I'm not using a stick like you. Give me the damn stick. No. I'll cut this motherfucker off right here. Oh, right there. Told you. Oh, almost right there.
Oh, there you go.
Almost, you bitch.
If I had gloves, I'd just fucking rip. Okay, you videotape here.
Oh, I'm so glad there's no blood on my knife yet. That looks pretty. Is there actually a bunch of videos like this on YouTube?
For me?
Oh, yeah, there.
That's what I do on YouTube. Just watch hunting videos. Is it legal? Not all the time. This was eating my birds. Technically, I could kill it.
This is eating your what? Your bird?
It was eating my garden.
Oh, so
Technically, I can kill it.
legit?
Huh?
You honestly can?
Technically, yeah.
But you can't skin it like this.
No, you can.
She let me shot the other ones. I would have nailed them.
I know. There's two. I wonder what kind of bird this is. I'm gonna rob him. Huh. Wait, later. Yeah, I think I got to the bone.
Got my knife bloody.
There.
Let me see. Let me see how bloody it is.
Just got the 2 feet. No, I guess we'll cut the head off.
I don't know if it works.
Oh, shit! Oh, fuck.
What?
Oh, look at all that blood.
You're like eating supper right there. You're putting it down with the fork and then taking the knife to cut it. Go on. Oh. Oh, is that his spiders? Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Okay,
Damn bones.
I'm trying to cut their spine right now.
No, his spine sucks.
Fuck, we should have. We took all the feathers off.
Why didn't we?
I don't have gloves.
So we killed it. If we didn't know how it died, that's different.
Oh, I just touched it.
Oh, what are those little white things?
Oh.
So this was technically legal. We're gonna eat this for supper.
You can.
Oh, okay. Stare into its eyes. Oh, look, it's coming out of its mouth.
Yeah,
Open up its mouth.
Okay, I was gonna keep one of the wings, but fuck that. Guess we'll cut this wing. First time skinning the bird.
Is it honestly?
Yep. Well, that's a nice wing. That's cool.
What's a what?
That's a nice wing.
Oh,
I ripped the wing out.
your first time skinning a bird?
First time I was skinning, I'm just chopping it up.
Should I try? Should I try again?
One sec. Okay, cut the head. Oh, that's disgusting.
If it's so disgusting, then why do you do this?
Why not do it?
Dory, how the heck do you talk me into doing this with you?
What?
We're gonna dissect it and look at all the organs.
I was planning on to.
Well, we should do it so that it's totally legal, because then we're learning the SIP tutorial system. SIP tutorial system.
Oh, I just touched it again. Oh, I need this. Oh yeah, I forgot about these sticks.
There's one right beside it, it's like the same length.
I don't know. That one's longer. Oh, how do people skin things? Oh, I think I found the heart.
Why are you using my knife to do it?
Why are you using my knife to do it? Yeah, I don't know how to clean your knife actually. Oh, there you go. There we go.
It's actually pretty grody.
That was awesome.
Oh, yummy. Oh, yummy. Oh, yummy. Yummy. I want to eat this for breakfast.
Why?
Lunch and dinner.
Just move your head, man.
You know what? Screw this. You know what? Hold it down camera.
Okay, you can fucking spin it.
Okay, you hold it down camera.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it. Sorry about this, guys. We're just having some technical difficulties. No, you're not shooting it again. No, seriously, though, you're not shooting it again. No. Dad, we're cutting up a bird. Okay, it was right there. And I just popped him. And he's like, he fell. He's class. I'm cutting him up right now. We're trying to skin it, but we don't want to touch it.
Cause somebody over here is a baby.
Your baby. We decapitated it.
You know, you have to get rid of all of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he's gonna have to clean my knife as well.
Yeah, well.
Okay, now it's time to shoot it. Watch this.
You're not going to shoot it again.
Did that bounce back at me?
Probably.
There, rub. Are you taking this?
Just go like this. Just go like this. Let go. Just go like this and be like. Just go like this and be like. Do that. Okay. Okay, no.
Do some dredge.
No. Okay, go closer to it. Go closer to it. Okay, there. Oh, there we go. That went in.
Shit.
I don't know. Hey, man, get him. Okay, get him back on there.
Hey, did you hear me?
Yeah.
I'm like, bitch, ruined my knife.
What?
I said, bitch, ruined my knife.
Tree?
Oh, bitch, ruined my knife.
Oh.
Should I tell Kiara that we're killing the bird?
Sure.
Or Nicole?
I don't care.
Well, should I be careful if she asks me out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, stop. Record this.
Not just because you hate her, because she likes
No,
you more.
record this.
Wait.
Oh, I will then.
Yeah. Give me the phone.
No, give me the knife.
I want to try this.
Why not try one more thing? Oh,
Yeah, I was going to suggest using your knife. My knife's actually pretty dull. Better than yours, but it's still pretty dull.
not my other one.
Do you have your other one?
Yes, I'm not using that.
Why?
Because.
Hey, clean my knife.
Shallow.
Ew.
Okay, get this on film. Ready?
Okay, let me see this. No. Okay, I think you're actually retarded.
This one's got fucking tough skin, man.
Okay, here, hold the camera. Here, go like this. If you go like this, and Claire try to lift it up, take it from the inside.
I'll try that.
I don't know how to skin a bird, okay?
If I had gloves on, I just fucking take all the feathers off already. I'm gonna go to my dad if he has like gloves we can use. One sec. One sec. Dad? Do you have like gloves we can use? Yeah. Like some old gloves that you don't use? So you can like take all the feathers off it first? You should
Now it's easy getting rid of them.
You should have seen the shoulder. It was
Mhm.
perfect.
Use a bag?
Yeah. Oh, I have one.
Okay.
My dad's like, here's some gloves, but when you're done with them, just get rid of them. Okay, here. Stop. I'm gonna take all the feathers off it. You record.
Oh, but wait, look at this,
What?
Oh. That's like nasty, bro.
Here I go.
Why don't I have music start to play yet?
Down.
Oh, what's that yellow stuff?
I don't know. Oh!
Testicles.
Oh, God. That's a freaking... Oh, that feels so cool.
Oh, that's his, intestine.
Yeah. Oh, it's so gross.
Oh, there's some gross intestines.
Oh. I just got some blood on my hand.
So messed up. Just a little bit of blood. Well, whenever you fight me, you get some blood on your face.
There's some meat right there.
Want to have some?
I might actually keep this out now.
Why?
For a crow. I have to get a crow.
A crow?
Just a crow.
Sound like to shoot it. It's funny because I said get aim, but I'm not even going to shoot that big thing.
What's that?
Well, you can't put this on Facebook.
Nope.
And you cannot add my name in it.
Yeah, I know.
Because my mom would be so mad if she saw that I was doing this.
Really?
Yeah. Plus, I swore a lot in it.
Did you?
You wasn't hearing me? Oh, clean my knife.
Grab it.
Clean it right now. Okay, I think this is the end of the video. You want to take a good look?
Oh, there's a tart.
Oh, yummy. Oh, where?
Right there. Let's grab the sticking point to it. That thing right there. The heart. Yeah, I'll take it off. Right. Not that. What does it feel? I think that's it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it.
Oh yeah, that's it too. Then there's all the feathers. Oh, the first card of the damn test line. Test line?
Yeah, that's the heart. Yep, pellet went right through the heart. You can see the gap missing out of the heart, watch. Flip it over. Right there. So I'll just stick the heart.
Yeah.
What's this?
One chick, too much.
What's that? Oh!
What is that?
The shitter. The shitter.
Well, Curry